Francis and Chloe, and today, it's gonna be kind of like the one that I opened, the dumpling squishies, and like play with our squishies. But these are all
best.
new squishies, and these are new dumplings.
Yeah.
Is that the real one?
No, it isn't.
I know. So it's my turn to open my medium size
Our
one.
big one.
Yes, I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, my house so
Same one as me. That's the same one as me.
You don't have. Oh.
But Axie's a little bit darker.
I love the feel of it. She's left.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
That's the real one.
oh my God, Reagan, you're so lucky.
Okay, so if you have any more real dumplings and real needles, if you have any,
Yeah, I
comment
love
down
them.
below where you found them. Oh, I need to do it first down. I mean, like, comment down below where
After
to
much
get them.
burning, Dumpling.
If you have any real ones or any cute other squishies, I'd get any squishy at any store. And comment down below. You heard me? You.
yeah.
Oh, I really like this squish. This one is my favorite. This one is actually my favorite. I just think this one is this green one. That's got a gummy bear. So this green one is like the gummy bear inside. It's got gummy bears in here. Very creative.